What do you say we go put a few more miles on old Miss Ginger here? Curbside? That way? Well, this is different. Not really. It seems different. You gotta start somewhere. Plus, it's Monday, so you know what they say. That tailgate is so much heavier than the other one. I don't really need any lumber, but 8-foot bed type action. Handy little buckets. And a hot plate. Which is actually a toaster oven, but tomato. Scoop. Well, that's worth about 1.5 pennies. Drive time. I guess. Not like we're picking anything up. She's all like, honey, wait for this big ugly wagon to go by. Mondays, huh? I've heard it told before that they suck balls. Apparently it's true. Oh, wagons is just smooth as silk. Hey, there's a... Is that a pork porcelain sink. I don't want a porcelain sink. I thought it was not a porcelain sink. Turns out it was. Oh, would you like to buy my wagon? Well, we kept one office chair out of the landfill today. Because, I mean, that's what we're out here to do, right? There's a TV. It's got a tail on it. We should have took that. I don't know. It's too late now. It's back there. We're up here. It's almost 7 o'clock. Half these people don't even have their stuff out yet. It's ridiculous. For the most part, you can see down to the end of each one of these streets, but I mean, if it were to be something small, you might overlook it. So, like there's a carpet cleaner. I'll get out and throw that in my wagon. Do you think I should? You guys just wait here. Hold down the fort. One Hoover acquired. Come on, traffic. Put a spongy on it. Or two. A couple of spongies. Will that reach that fur? We might have to connect the spongies. Put her like that. Yeah, I don't know. I think that'll stay. We'll give it a shot. Scoops. And we're back. Actually, we got back yesterday. I kind of forgot to do that whole part. We scooped another ladder. Also, no, there's nothing that we can take to the bank. I apologize. And a smoker and a chair that's pretty wore out. Anyway, that was Monday. It sucked balls. Hopefully today's a little better.